2002 Thunderbird. The Ford Thunderbird has been an icon in the Ford Motor Company since the 1960s. It was reintroduced in the late 80s as a more mature option than the Ford Mustang. With its sporty, flowing coupe body style, reasonable backseat space, and moderate price range, the Thunderbird is for car enthusiasts and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, power windows, passenger airbag, remote power door locks, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, leather seats, power mirrors, privacy glass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.